Guys, we are here
Yeah,
in the highway.
enjoy traffic.
Enjoy traffic.
How are you guys?
This Mr. My friend, he's driving good and take care his.
I'll drop him. I'll drop him in his room because the car, his car in the one of our friends. So I drop him in his room for the meantime because the car is already used by his friend. So now again we are being in the traffic again. So just see around. Why the
Kalam
car,
Tagalog lah.
the
Tagalog.
traffic, we go Tagalog.
Yeah, Tagalog.
Papunta kami ng
Ayun.
kanyang tirahan, sa kanyang bahay. Yan, ang pangalan niya ay sino? Uncle? Uncle ah? Uncle Mok. Mokmok. Uncle Mokmok. Yan si Uncle Mokmok. Punta kami guys. We are riding in the traffic area. So malapit na kami sa kanilang tirahan. Ita-drop ko na siya doon. At yun lang. Okay.
Boss.
Tapos na.